Hello and welcome to Learning Java 11 Programming. My name is Ethan Katzel and I'll be your mentor, tutor and friend, teaching you how to program in the most well-known programming language, Java. Before we begin on the course content, I'd like to take a few moments to tell you about myself. I have over 3 years of experience as a programmer. I started at a young age, first developing games in the C# language and producing a few games on the iOS App Store. In my current job, I work as a software engineer doing a range of activities including working with Amazon Web Services and developing blockchain applications. I am also super passionate about creating a better and brighter future to live in. So now let's take a look at what we are going to cover in this course. We'll kick things off in the first section, Installation and Setup, where we install Java 11 and IntelliJ IDE and run your first Java code. Next, we will dive into Section 2 and learn the basic programming syntaxes, variables, and expressions. These are necessary to start any programmer's career. In Section 3, we begin to look at control flow and arrays such as if statements and various loops. This is where it will start to open up opportunities within your abilities. Now in Section 4, we get into files, classes, and objects, which in hand allows better design for programming solutions. We also get started on a calculator class with some basic functionality of a general use calculator. Finally, in Section 5, we get into advanced concepts, making you feel like a coding genius, especially when we use recursion to add some funky methods to our calculator class. In this section, we also have set up a way for the program to get user input and for the user to infinitely use the calculator class. In the last section, we'll learn the most common data structures used to be able to optimize programming solutions. So with all of that, let's get started.